is my last full day here in Grindelwald. Punta ako sa Brienz Rotorbahn. I'll take the Rotorhorn train. And then Mannlichen.
Der Zug nach Interlaken Ost fällt aus. Reisende, die nach Jungfraujoch kommen und via Terminal gebucht haben.
Oh my god. Our train to Interlaken is not coming. So, hindi ko na alam ano mangyayari. Oh my god. Nakaka-stress. I'll have to change my itinerary pag ganito nangyari. So, the train ride from here to Interlaken and Interlaken to Brienz is covered by the Oberland Pass. So, that's not a problem. Pero kasi yung Rotorbahn, yung Rotorhorn, hindi kasi siya covered. I mean, covered siya pero I paid extra for that. And ang hirap mag-book. For sure, I can't book it anymore. Mabuntang yung Frau pwede sa platform 3. So, may interruption doon sa rail. So, I don't know, baka may nasagasang wildlife or what. Or, I hope nothing serious. I hope nothing serious. I really need to take the earlier train. I need to take the earlier train. Imagine, bukas ako aalis and I only have 2 hours. So, kailangan talaga umalis ako maaga. This can't be happening. Oh my God, hanap na muna ako upuan. Now we're waiting for the train kasi may issues sa train track. May na-stock na train. So people are taking the bus. There's a replacement bus naman. Covered naman yun kasi hindi naman kasalanan ng passengers. Pero grabe, ang dami namin dito. So change of plan. Sayang yung reservation ko na 8 francs. I have to pay another 8 francs for the Rotorhorn train. Pero mamayang hapon na siya. So I only get to stay like 30 minutes sa may Rotorbahn or Rotor place. Then travel ulit para ba. Wala akong magawa. I just want to experience the train ride itself. But, it is what it is. Yung Mannlichen na dapat after ng Rotorhorn, yun na lang unahin ko. So, I'll go back to Grindelwald Terminal. So, right now, we're waiting for the next train, which I think is gonna arrive at 8:40. So, let's see. Werner Oberland?
Werner Oberland Pass?
Yes. This is... Oh, I missed the Ricola. Gosh, I missed the Ricola one. Ayan o. The cable car is all mine. So there's not a lot of people going to Mannlichen, pero people are going to the top of Europe, yung Jungfrau. So I'm not prepared for that. And also it's a tourist trap. Probably I think there's always snow there, and I've had enough snow. And summer yung effect ng ko, so summer outfit ako, so I'm not gonna go there. Okay. So the plan is, I'm gonna stay there for a while sa Mannlichen. Kasi nga, may sira yung yung train. So, ni-reverse ko yung order ng itinerary ko. I'm gonna go to the Rotorhorn sa last part of my, around 2:48 pa. And I'll stay there mga 30 minutes lang, din balik na ulit. The reason is, wala kang magagawa. Yun na lang natin ng reservation. Super in demand kasi yung na yun. It's not really a tour, pero it's an old cogwheel train. Choo-choo train talaga. You'll see later on. Hi! People are saying hi to me. Hi! I'm all alone. Bye, guys. Wow. Friendly. Baka may nag-hi sa akin dito, hindi ko na pinapansin. Kanina ko na napansin because I was like solo. Should I say hi to these people? Hi people. No one said hi to me. Ayun yung Ricola Karaoke Gondola. Sana masakyan ko yung pababa. Sasakit yung tainga ko ha. Ang taas na. Mukhang mataas na tayo. Okay. Go down. I'm gonna go out. Ay, shit. Ang lamig. Ang lamig po. Ang lamig. I'm going into the slide. Okay, just outside the cable car. Ito na. People are hiking from here. You know, there's a big playground here. Merong wooden cow. Pwede ka mag-slide. Pero nahiya ako. Pero so ito lang gusto ko mag-slide. Look. Malamig here. Pero, hindi naman siya chilling, cold. Kayang-kaya. Oh, wala man lang magtitik ng photos ko. Look ko. Ano kay mountain to? Ay, nakikita ba? This one. So you can go inside a cow. Inside a cow's butt. And then pwede ka mag-slide or pwede ka lang din go on top ng wooden cow. And then you have other fun activities here. It's perfect for the family. It's very nice. I like Grindelwald. Ano ba yan? Okay. Pwede kayo mag-swing, tatluhan. Ay, maraming pagmahangin. Also do... Ay, mukhang hindi ako tatagal dito. Kaya sana hindi na masyado malamig later. I'm gonna go to the Royal Walk ba yun? It's a 20-minute hike, so I gotta find it. Mukhang may rain clouds na Wala tayo dyan sa rain clouds. Punta ka dito. Just to see different points or peaks. And that over there. Oh, there pala. Yung Royal Emmy. Ang layo Ang layo doon. Doon. Let's see what they have here. I'm gonna do the Royal Walk. So it's a quick hike. Malamig naman, so kaya. Let's see. It's a 20-minute hike. Okay, ayun. So that's our target. Right there. We need to be on top of that. That peak. I don't know. They said merong magandang view. Pero this is a very easy hike. Malalaman natin kung easy talaga. Let's go. So, parang gusto ko muna explore ang Wengen. Okay, I am in Wengen. Parang gusto ko kumain here. Or baka mag-Lauterbrunnen na lang ako ulit. Actually, dadaan naman ako sa Lauterbrunnen talaga. Doon nalilito ako. Am I going the right direction? Wait lang, ha? Daming recreational stuff eh. Saan taas ang pinanggalingan namin kanina? Doon sa taas. Bato, namin ng upuan. Kakainis. Ayun meron. Kala nyo nga. May upuang nagaganap. Just right here. So, syempre, upo tayo dito. Okay, I'm in now. The train to Lauterbrunnen from Wengen. So we were all from Wengen, and it goes all the way down to Lauterbrunnen. So mabagal talaga yung train niya, because this one goes from the top going to the bottom of the Lauterbrunnen Valley, and manonotice niyo naman yung zigzaggy road kasi nasa gilid kami ng mountain. Yeah, on that side you'll see Lauterbrunnen Valley. Ay, nawala na. Yun, yung mga waterfalls. This Lauterbrunnen has 72 waterfalls. We are now in Lauterbrunnen, going to Interlaken. Of course, there's a significant delay. And right from there, you'll see Staubach Waterfall. Hindi ko na siya pupuntahan kasi grabe nakaka-stress yung mga delays ng train. I just checked the app. And the connection has been cancelled. Yung Interlaken to Brienz, yung Panoramic Express. I'm going to Brienz, so it's cancelled. So likely they're gonna offer a bus or something. I think they will. No, they have to. Okay. Dito na kami sa Brienz, and that is the Rotterdam. Just across the street. Pinalabas na natin ating Jisoo Life. Sa tanghali ng init na. Makain muna tayo ng lunch. Andiyan na yung Rotterdam. Ito lang siya. Sa harapan ko lang. Hindi siya alas. Charap. So, I arrived safely. And ito pala yung Lake Brienz. Lake Brienz is just right there. Ayan. Kitang-kita siya dyan. As you can see, the blue lake is there. You're in. Need to go to platform 2B. Yung sa Interlaken House na kami. This one is going to Grindelwald, I suppose. Last screen transfer, and then I'm back at my hotel. Ito yung pinaka-nakakahilo. Nakakapagod. Hindi sa katawan, hindi sa paa. Pero nakakapagod na mag-navigate kasi ang daming train adjustments, mag-bus. Mas nagkaroon ng problem nga dun sa certain part of, actually, hindi lang isa, meron pa isang part na nag-cancel din, kaya kailangan ko rin mag-adjust. But anyway, na-achieve naman lahat ng kailangan gawin except that you have to rush everything kasi very uncertain kung anong next, kung saan ako magla-lunch. So medyo nakakahilo pero okay lang. I think the highlight is the Rotherham band, not Rotherham band, but Rotherham horn. It would have been nice kung hindi nag-rain outside. Kasi it was raining outside nung nasa taas na kami. Pero the journey itself is an hour. Medyo may konting hiccups kasi they have to stop, parang they have to change rails and give way to each other on certain points. Pero ang ganda. Like, nakita mo yung lake on top, magabilang side kasi umipitikod siya, and then yung mountains magabilang side, parang Lord of the Rings, parang sa The Hobbit, parang gano'n, ang ganda. Parang it would have been nicer kung pagdating namin sa tuktok is hindi siya cloudy, hindi siya foggy, and hindi umuulan. Ang lamig, like it's 11 degrees nung nasa tuktok na kami, pero pagdating namin sa baba, back to 22 degrees, ang lamig na talaga sa taas. So a lot of people are there na bumaba rin. The same. Buti okay lang din na ganun yung nakuha kong ticket kasi nga kailangan mag-reserve. So, paunahan talaga sa reservation. Yung na-reserve ko is late na dahil wala nang available. Na-forfeit na yung mga nauna kong binook na reservation. It's 8 francs lang naman, pero syempre sayang pa rin. So, meron ako na sayang 16 francs kasi dalawa yun. Hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, hopefully walang maging problem. Kasi pag nagkaroon ng problem, makakakandaleche-leche. Pukunin ko pa yung big luggage ko sa sa Zurich SBB na tourist center kasi pina-transfer ko siya from Oregon Station. Ayaw ko kasi bitbitin dito sa Grindelwald, so ayun, pina-forward ko siya sa airport. And you guys can also do that if you want. Anyway, so that's gonna be it for today. This is my last day na in Switzerland. I'm going to Vienna tomorrow. So, see ya!